So there is this beautiful poem, Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. So in this poem, he is asking everybody to sit quietly and do the self-analysis. So what is the reason behind that? तो पैब्लो नेरूडा कहते हैं कि हम एक भाग दौड़ वाली ज़िंदगी में जी रहे हैं. I mean, we are into rush and we are so restless, and on a daily basis we make our targets and we are busy in just occupying our goals and meeting the targets. तो हमारे पास इतना भी टाइम नहीं है that we can sit quietly and do the introspection and find out the purpose of our life. So that's why he's asking everybody to sit quietly, do self introspection. Only then you will come to know what is right, what is wrong for you, what you have achieved, what you have lost in pursuing the materialistic things. And at the same time he is asking everybody to learn it from earth, because earth की अगर हम बात करें तो winter season में everything is so bare and gloomy and dark, but it blossoms when it is spring season. In a similar manner, जब आप सेल्फ एनालिसिस कर लेंगे, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कर लेंगे, यू विल कम अप विद न्यू थॉट, न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव, क्लीन क्लोथ्स यू विल पुट ऑन. और वो क्लीन क्लोथ्स किसके बारे में होंगे? फ्रेटर्निटी एंड बेसिकली ब्रदरहुड के बारे में. दैट्स द मेन थीम ऑफ द पोएम. थैंक यू सो मच.